Okay, hi my dear students. Okay, today teacher will continue example 11, page 113. A total of 26 people participate in a scouting program at the river bank. The activities of the program are kayaking and fishing. 18 people participate in kayaking and 15 people participate in fishing, while 9 people participate in both kayaking and fishing. What is the total number of people who participate in the activities of the program? Okay. So, okay. Kayaking 18, fishing 15. Okay, kayaking and fishing both kayaking and fishing is 9. Okay, so we can draw the Venn diagram. Okay. Okay, so this is kayaking and this is fishing. Okay, kayaking and fishing both, so intersection 9, both. Kayaking 18, so kayaking here, this region is 18 minus 9. Okay, 18 minus 9 is 9. And fishing 15, so this region is 15 minus 9 is 6, yeah? Okay, so we check again. First, okay, kayaking and fishing 9, kayaking 18, so 9 plus 9 is 18, fishing 15, so 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, so total number who participate in the activity. So total is 9 plus 9 plus 6. So the answer is 24, yeah? Okay, so 24 out of 26 people participate in activities kayaking and fishing. Okay. Now we look at example 12, page 114. A total of 100 adults are involved in a survey on their top choices of reading materials. 40 people choose newspaper, 25 people choose magazine, 18 people choose storybooks, 8 people choose both newspaper and magazine, 7 people choose both magazine and storybooks, 5 people choose both newspaper and storybook, and 3 people choose all 3 types of reading materials. How many people do not choose any of the reading materials? So we write total. Okay, total is 100. Okay. Okay, total 40 newspaper. Okay, newspaper 40. 25 choose magazine. Okay, magazine 25. 80 people choose storybook. Storybook 18. 8 people choose both newspaper and magazine. Okay, newspaper and magazine. How many? Okay, this is done. 8 people choose newspaper and magazine. 8. 7 people choose both magazine and storybook. Okay, magazine and storybook 7. And 5 people choose newspaper, choose both newspaper and storybook. Newspaper and storybook 5, yeah? 5. Okay. And 3 people choose all 3 types. Okay, so 3 types Okay, so we can draw the Venn diagram. Okay, so this is a newspaper, this is a magazine, then this is storybook. Okay, we look here first. Okay, all three. Okay, three people choose all three types. Three, so three is here. Okay, three is here. Okay, this is done. Newspaper and storybook. Newspaper and storybook 5. So this is 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, magazine and storybook 7. So this is 4. Because 4 plus 3, 7. And newspaper and magazine 8. Newspaper and magazine 8. So this should be 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, now we look here. Storybook 18. Storybook 18. So this value is 18 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. 9, yeah? Okay, this is 9. Storybook is 9. Okay, so it's done. Okay, magazine 25. So this value is 25 minus 5 minus 3 minus 4, 13. Yeah. Okay, then we can check, yeah. Magazine 13 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 is 25. Okay, newspaper is 40. So the value here is 40 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2, 30. Okay. So, okay. How many people do not choose any of the reading? Okay, not choose, yeah. Not choose equal to the total 100 minus all the value here. 30 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 4 plus 13. 66, huh? Okay, so minus 66. Okay, 100 minus 66 is 34. Yeah, so this is the answer. Okay. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, before teacher ended my lesson today, I want you to do self-practice 4.2C, page 115. Okay, do question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5. Yeah. Okay, after you did the exercise, I want you to check the answer at the back of the textbook. So if you got the wrong answer, please try again. And if you still cannot do it, you can PM me, message me, and I will try to help you. Okay, until we meet in the next class. Okay, bye.